Hello students and welcome to Residency Day 2. Hopefully your Friday went well and things are going seamless. And some of you probably have some questions or concerns, which are normal at this point. I want to make sure to draw you down to the discussion board for your questions and concerns. Click the link. You'll see, again, as pointed out yesterday, that we have several different discussion board forums. Each of the discussion board forums have a description. Please make sure that you're reading that to determine the appropriate place to put your question. And know that the discussion boards are being monitored by the MSN team throughout residency, and someone will answer your question as soon as possible. At the bottom, we have 3 additional discussion boards that are pertinent to lecture-specific information, that being for pediatrics and for SOAP note and billing. Those questions are to go to the actual faculty that is giving the lecture for that video content. So after you review the content, if you have a question about that content, place it here in one of these discussion boards. If you have a personal question, be sure to not place it here because everyone can see the question as well as the answer. Direct any personal questions to your assigned residency faculty's personal email. Also, I want to make a quick note that be sure that you are not responding to your student colleagues within this forum. This is specifically designed to have you guys make connections with the MSN team directly about any of your questions or concerns. If you guys are wanting to help each other out and give each other advice, that's fine. Just please make sure that you're doing it through your personal email addresses or text through your phones. If you have a personal question, you can utilize the faculty and staff link. Click on your assigned residency faculty here. If you click their link, you should be able to see bio information as well as their direct link to their email. And you can place your personal comment there. Please know that the assigned residency faculty is your first person to communicate with and reach out to for any questions or concerns. If there is anything that they can't address, they'll be sure to reach out to myself, Director Hereford, or Coordinator of Student Experience, Francesca Caparati-Jones. At the bottom, this is the list of all of the MSN team members. There you'll find my information, Francesca's information, Michelle's information, which just as the top with your residency faculty, you can click the link and you can access our email directly. Again, I want to remind you guys to make sure that you are taking a thorough look at the syllabus, understanding everything that's happening this weekend and what's required of you, and that you're looking at and printing out the calendar so that you'll know exactly where you're supposed to be and when for today. You'll be in the Saturday's content today. Please make sure that you're looking at this list as you're going through to know that everything that needs to be done today and the time that needs to be done today. Yesterday, you probably noticed that specific program trajectories have these color-coded labels. NP students with red, MBA and EDU students with green, and all students in blue. For that, we have utilized this to draw your eye toward content that's specific for you to do. Anything under all students, of course, is to be completed by all students, and anything that's in red is supposed to be directed toward NP students, and anything in green directed toward the EDU and MBA students. You all have different content that's specific to your program trajectory, so that's why we're making sure to label things so that people are getting to the content that's appropriate for their program trajectory. I hope today goes well. Please make sure that you're utilizing the Zoom link and that you are present in the meetings that you are supposed to be at the time you're supposed to be at. Again, if there are any questions or concerns or extenuating circumstances, reach out to your assigned residency faculty as soon as possible.